Hello and welcome to episode 58 of the Dark Tower. Today I will not be continuing my attempt to infuse an item because it appears there's a fair bit of infrastructure I need still that I don't have, and the place that I'm actually going to put that stuff is probably on this floor, or if not this floor, the one above this one. So, as you can see, I put in some pillars and stuff and been working on the tower a little. So, got my airship up here, helping out with crafting and stuff. But anyways, I'm not going to be working on this today, so what I am instead going to do, it does not belong there, is I'm going to get started on my other project. Which my other project being my rail line heading over to the mines. So, I'm going to come down here real fast and show you what I'm talking about. It's all the way down here at the bottom. Oh, I did update my Thaumcraft to the official release of 4.0.3, and my graphical issues seem to have gone away, and I'm not quite sure what happened to my Petch friends. They all kind of disappeared too. But they disappeared before I updated, so I don't know. I don't know what that's about. But anyways, what we have here is this floor right here is going to be my rail station. So, and it's going to go that way, which means I need to build some kind of bridge across here, and it's actually going to be a trestle. And I think I have some posts. But, see. Get that right, and basically just bring this all the way up to the top. Now, I'm not going to be doing this the whole time either, because I actually have a support project in mind for this. Now, these posts are quite useful because you can put tracks and stuff on them and build all kinds of bridges. In this case, we will be using them to build a trestle, so the exact it's kind of dangerous. The exact details of this particular trestle are going to be a little bit iffy for the moment. Not quite sure what to do about the part that crosses the water, and I don't have enough posts, which will lead me into my next project as soon as I'm done here. So anyways, I will be building the trestle across there, and I need more creosoted posts to do that. Now I've got quite a bit of creosote, and I've got tons of everything else I need. But see if we can't find our way inside. But I do want to improve my mob traps going away, killing things. But I want to improve my setup that I have currently, because at the moment everything's all manual like. So what we're going to be doing, actually we went too far. We want to come down here, because what we're doing, you know the coke oven is in my workshop over in Tower 2. Up above us here, my coke oven's up there, and it's been producing coke for a while and creosote and stuff. So, but what I want to do is, you can see I cleared this place out a little bit. I need to finish clearing out the middle here, but I can wait for the moment. Just clear this out a little bit. Because we're going to put in a tank, a railcraft tank. We're going to put it right here. And I have a bunch of steel plates. We're going to make a steel tank because I don't have a huge amount of space. We're actually going to inset it in the floor. I have to go find a better crafting table in a moment, but it's not going to be a huge tank. It doesn't need to be a huge tank. Just about anything will be better than what I have currently. Like I said, all this stuff's going to go away. The wand of excavation has been nerfed a tad, so it's not quite as incredible crazy like as it was. Works pretty good on dirt, but not so good on stone. My pickaxe is faster on stone. Anyways, I'll have to detail the floor and stuff as well, so. But first, we need to go upstairs, and I do not currently have any means of getting from below to above. Which I need to rectify. You'll have to forgive me, my voice is still recovering a little from that cold, so but let's see, we need some sticks. And yes, this thing is suffering from the same issues I was having with the arcane workbench with the clicking. However, I have solved that I fixed that earlier today, so. But, we need is not fences. We need ladders. And we don't have enough to make a ladder. Okay, make us a stack of sticks. Shift clicking on this thing is screwball because it uses everything. You notice a hole in the floor there. But I guess we'll put it right here. Oh, you notice I did put in some stairs to the next level. Because I'm going to be setting up a crafting center up there for crafting rails and stuff. Wait, I came over here to get some trapdoor. Yep, that ain't right. Let's see. There we go. That'll work. But I'll take you up here real quick. We have our second level. There's not a whole lot of room. You'll notice after the first two towers I went to a much more open, or not open, but design with a bit more floor space. But anyways, we need to attach. No, I do not believe that I do not believe that the coke oven will output automatically, so we need a few pipes and we need a valve, and I'm quite sure how much of that stuff we need. Let's see. Valve is made with iron bars. Thinking doors. So we put our iron bars in, put in our steel plates, and we have some levers here somewhere. There we go. Now we also need now I don't remember precisely No. Nope, that can't be right. We do something like this, I think. Yes. So our valve goes in the top. And I'm actually going to have to climb up there and put the pipes in. Nope. Not much point putting glass in the back. Okay, so now we need to climb up here. And let's see. I need to get me a bit of pipe sealant, so oh, there's some. And we also need a means of pumping the fluid. So I made a bunch of pulsating chipsets, and I need to figure out which combination of crazy things will result in an auto-arctic gate. Did we not make any basic gates? Go ahead and make me one of those. I use these things far more often in creative than I do actually crafting them. So it gives us a gate. It's going to keep crafting, and there we go. I'm actually surprised it's able to produce that much power. Okay. So now we can come over here and put in the piping. There we go. No. Hello. My sword is broken, so I have no sword, unfortunately. But anyways, there we go with that. And what we're going to want to do here is put in another valve. Now, you can break the tank, just don't break that block right there, the one in the middle. So, in order to pump out of this one, we need we need more sealant. And we probably need another chipset. And other things we need is to clean out my inventory. Get rid of those pressure plates I've been carrying around for a while. Oh, that's iron tank gauge? Oh, for the cart. Made those for the cart. I came over here for this. And we probably need another gate. Should just leave that one running. Anyways, we also need to make a carpenter, so we can do that now. If I can figure out where I left. I need to see my recipe. Which I need to move this. Carpenter is bronze. Okay, I can do that. Book, you come with me. So, now that we have the book and the recipe, somewhere in here, here we go, bronze, well, we'll come over here. I also added a clear button earlier, because I was annoyed at having to manually clear it every time, but also fix that weirdness there. But let's see. So we have that. We have to go get our other thing. And we need some power. However, the best way to get power over there is see, so we got power. We gotta put in wood planks. Which is going to require some automation as well. I made a bunch. What did I do with them? Now, there's also some issues with some of the stuff I'd like to be able to do requires me to... Oh, come on. What's missing? Why can't you make the pulsating chipset? The auto Arctic gate. Why can't you make it? You made it before. I hope it ain't that. Oh, it's probably the iron chipsets. Yes, it is. Okay, well, we'll let that keep running for a while. Anyways, as I was saying, the complications that I have is how to send an item from one location to another without creating a bunch of overflow. You see I have a bunch of wood here. I have more than enough wood. And I could make a pipeline that runs over to here, but I'm not quite sure how to send. At least not with pipes. With rails, I can make a big old loop, which actually might not be a bad idea. Make a big old loop between all the towers. With a loop, then I could just stock stuff in each tower that it needs. Like that. That might be the way to go, but that has its own issues. In that carts are semi-unreliable and easy to interrupt. Of course, I could just make a big old pipe loop as well, using filtered buffers to pull stuff out and have everything cycle until it reaches its destination. Although everything would have to have a termination point in the loop, if that's the case. Anyways, for the moment, I'll have to think about that. That's a bit beyond the scope of what I wanted to do with this episode, so. But we do want to put in an auto crafter, I suppose, to craft my logs into wood. Let's see. Auto crafter is made out of wood, so we'll do it in this one. And we have around here somewhere, we need a couple of these. Let's see. I don't want to actually cover up all of my... I have to be able to pipe stuff out of here too, so I guess we'll just put it here. I used all my wooden pipes, didn't I? I don't have any glass on me. So let's see. It's totally not the right type of wood, but whatever. And I actually think I need... I need to make some iron auto-arctic gates. Make iron ones. Need to fix my floor. Do I really? Yeah. Come on. Okay. Brief stop over here. So we can do that. We can put this here. Fill that up, see if my iron gates are done. Oh yeah. We need a couple of those and a couple of these. Okay, so if this is red, you send pulsars. And if you need... I think we actually need a gold one there, because I need a filter. So, and we need spruce logs, and we need to say inventory items. If items in inventory send pipe signal, and if no pipe signal, really? Oh, come on. Okay. I'm gonna have to fiddle with that. I don't know what the deal is here. Probably something to do with the carpenter would be my guess. Anyways, that'll keep that stocked, and over here, and where this pillar is, I want to put some pipes. And you'll see what I want to do with these next time. But I'll be putting facades on there. I don't know if I have any at the moment, but anyways, you'll see what I want to do with that next time, and I'll try and figure out what's wrong with this thing. So well, it's making ties, so that's good. But anyways, that's probably about time to wrap up this episode, so. And as stated before, I at some point need to post new versions of both Railcraft and Buildcraft. So, right, wrong way. I have another emblem, Halloween themed again. And let's see. This time it's Bloodsucker. For the bat. We'll go ahead and engrave that. Take it over here and hang it up on our wall. Get our everything we need here. The bat and Bloodsucker. There we go. I'm gonna actually move those down. But I'll do that off camera, so. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Be sure to like and subscribe. And tell your friends, so. Next time we will see if we can get the crafting set up, maybe. Or at least the upstairs. Where I'm going to put some work tables for crafting various different types of rails. I'm going to put them up here. And that's where the pipe will come in. So, and if you're wondering, no, I know that you cannot pipe items into work tables, so that's not what I'm planning to do, so we're good with that. So anyways, this has been episode 58 of The Dark Tower, and this is Covert Jaguar signing off.